Hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn Chinese with Tarannum. Today you are going to learn how to ask and tell time in Chinese. If you want to ask someone for the time, you can say 现在几点? What time is it now? Vocabulary breakdown. 现在 now 几 what number? diǎn o'clock le particle. Now it's time to learn how to tell time in hours. It's a very simple formula. Number plus diǎn. Example. Number 1. 1 1 o'clock. 2 o'clock. 2 for 2 o'clock. Chinese speakers usually say 2 rather than 2. Now it's time for a mini quiz. Can you tell the time? What time is it? 5 o'clock. How about this one? Can you tell the time? 12 o'clock. How you can give a complete reply? Here is an example for you. 现在5点了. It's 5 o'clock now. Now it's time to learn how to add minutes while telling time in Chinese. The word for minute is fan. The basic pattern is hour plus minutes. So we say the hour first, then the number of minutes, and finally fan. Example 6:05 6点05分 Example 2 9:10 9点10分 Time for a quiz. Can you tell the time? 1:20 1:20. Now it's time to learn a special time expression. Pa, it means how. When the minute part is 30, we can use pa instead of 3:10. Example 3:30. So instead of 3:30 you can say 3:08. Great job. Can you tell the time in Chinese? 6:30. Write your answers in the comments. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Learn Chinese with Tarannum. See you in the next one. Goodbye. 再见.